Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons and one of them should be Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode enabled and the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and on the watch face you will also see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon, you will see the Do Not Disturb mode disabled, the icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also make a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode for it to turn on automatically and turn off automatically. To do it, we need to open the settings, so press the crown button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called Sounds and Vibration, tap on it, and here find the option called Do Not Disturb. Select it, scroll down, and here we have the scheduled category. And we can add our own schedule by tapping on Add Time, then we can tap on Start, set the hour, minutes, and tap on the check mark. Then we have the end time, again hour and minutes, and then we can scroll down and select the repeat option. And here we can select the days on which the schedule should be active, repeating. Like for example, I'm going to select Monday and Friday and tap on OK. And once you're done setting up your schedule, you can tap on OK, tap on the check mark, and here we have our schedule. So basically it will turn on Do Not Disturb mode at 9:05 p.m. and turn it off on 10:05 a.m. Or 5 past 10 a.m. And of course it will only work on Monday and Fridays, and you can turn it off or on by tapping on the switch. You can tap on the schedule to edit it. Here you can change the times again, the repeat option. You can also delete it by tapping on delete to remove the schedule. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.